you want to disable the WhatsApp red receipt. That is the blue tick. Let's quickly do that. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Red receipts, that's the blue tick. Click on the three dots still. Click on settings. Next is account. The next one is privacy. From privacy, you can see red receipts. If turned up, you will send or receive red receipts. Red receipts are always sent for group chats. Toggle on this and it will be turned off. Thanks for watching. For other WhatsApp hacks that will make you use the most out of the app, check the description box below. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.